Everyone, welcome back to my EasyGrade YouTube channel. So today we are starting the new subject, that is Hindi. We'll start from the first poem, that is Prarthana. Okay, now let's start. मनुष्य जीवन में सद्भाव का प्रधान स्थान है। छोटे बड़े का भेदभाव न रखते हुए सबके साथ मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए। किसी का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए और अपने देश के प्रति अभिमान रखना चाहिए। Means this part tells us the most important value in a person's life. Okay, we should treat everyone with love and kindness, whether they are small or big, or rich or poor. We should not make any difference between them. Okay, we should always live together happily with others. Work in unity, we said that, and never insult or look down on anyone. Also, it reminds us that we must always feel pride in our country and respect our nation. Okay, now first we'll read the poem. सच बोले सच बात विचारे, भले काम पर जीवन वारे, मिलकर रहे नियम अपनाए, बीती बातों को बिसराए, छोटे बड़े सभी मिल जाए, गिरे हुए को तुरंत उठाए, करे किसी का न अपमान, ऐसी ही मति दो भगवान, एक रहे सद्भाव रखे हम, देश देश में मान रखे हम, हट छोड़े संयम अपनाए, मातृभूमि पर बलि बलि जाए। ओके, नाउ सी द फर्स्ट लाइन। सच बोले सच बात विचारे. It means we should always speak the truth and think about what is right and honest in every situation. Okay. Next line. भले काम पर जीवन वारे means our life should be spent doing good deeds and helping others. That is how we give meaning to our life. मिलकर रहे नियम अपनाए means we should live together with unity and always follow discipline and good habits in our life. Next line. बीती बातों को बिसराए means we should forget bad things from the past like fights or arguments. छोटे बड़े सभी मिल जाए means whether someone is younger or older, everyone should live together in harmony and treat each other equally. The next line is गिरे हुए को तुरंत उठाए. What this means? If someone has fallen, whether physically or emotionally, we should help them immediately and not make fun of them. Okay, we should help them. We should not make fun of them. Okay. करे किसी का न अपमान means we should never insult or disrespect anyone. Everyone deserves respect. Okay, we should not never insult, okay, or disrespect anyone, any of the person. Okay, ऐसे ही मति दो भगवान means we are praying to God to give us such wisdom and understanding so we can live a good and kind life. Okay, एक रहे सद्भाव रखे हम means we should stay united and always keep kindness and goodwill in our hearts for everyone. Okay, देश देश में मान रखे हम. It tells that a good behavior should make our country proud, even in other countries also. Okay. The next line is हट छोड़े संयम अपनाए means we should not be stubborn. Okay, we must learn to stay calm and control our anger and behavior. We should stay calm and control our anger and behavior. Okay, मातृभूमि पर बलि बलि जाए means we should be ready to sacrifice everything for our motherland with love and pride. This says that we should be ready to sacrifice everything for our motherland with love and pride. Now I will tell one small example, then you can understand easy. Imagine a boy named Ravi. Every day before going to school, he would all close his eyes and pray to gods. He didn't ask for toys or chocolates. He just said, God, please help me become a good person. Help me to respect my teachers and keep my family happy. One day his classmate forgot his tiffin. Ravi quietly shared half of his food. The teacher saw this and smiled. Later, she said to the whole class, "This is what real education is. Be kind, helpful, and good." So, children, just like Ravi, we should not only pray with words, we should live that prayer in our actions every day. Okay, this poem is not just for reading, it teaches us to become good human beings. Okay, to always follow the right path, to respect elders, and to keep our hearts pure. Okay. So, children, what do we learn from this prayer? Means this poem, Prarthana poem. Speak the truth, be honest and disciplined, show respect to everyone, and be kind and helpful. Forget old mistakes, stay united, okay? Love and be proud of your country. And most of all, always pray for a for a God, a good heart and pure thoughts, okay? And this is about this poem. And thank you for watching this video. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. I will clear your all doubts, okay? And if you are enjoying, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my EasyGrade YouTube channel. Thank you.